What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here in the garage today again. Obviously, I'm gonna do a little bit of work to the car today and kind of just want to take you all along with me through the process of rolling fenders. I had a little predicament go on with one of the wheels. Well, the driver's side, or I'm sorry, the passenger side. It basically grooved the tire almost all the way around. I'll have to show you really quick here. I was trying to go up an incline on one side, and I rolled the fenders prior. I just didn't, I knew I didn't do as well of a job on the passenger side as I did the driver's side, which of course everyone, makes mistakes. But as you can see here, the tire, you see these little grooves all the way around. It goes all the way around the entire tire. So this fender here has definitely got a nice lip to it. And I guess once I get some weight or someone sitting in the car, then it basically is going to do that every time if I try to go up any sort of incline or anything like that. Other than that, that's pretty much all I'm going to show you today for now. There is a secret over there in the corner that I'm not going to show right now because I'm going to wait for another video on that, and it might have caused me to have to roll the fenders. Not necessarily this, but to fit something much meatier. But I'm just going to take you through it, and hopefully you all will, hopefully it'll help some people. I know rolling fenders can be very frustrating. Definitely need to take your time with it, because if not, you'll bust the paint on the quarter panel. Also, things you'll need is a heat gun, and then we have the Eastwood fender roller. It's an older one, but I mean it gets the job done. Like I said, I did the driver's side fine last time. It's just the passenger side was the first side I did, and then I was like, well, I just needed to fit these wheels because these are 18x10s in the rear, and they're for S95 car or a New Edge style car. So I just needed it to fit and not have any issue. But of course, I didn't find out that I had the issue until obviously I went up an incline. So I'm gonna go through that today with you guys, and hopefully all my subscribers will like this. I don't know, we'll have to see. But please like and subscribe, and I'm gonna take you through this whole process. All right, so here's a little image from the damage that happened a while back. Kind of all the way around groove here. It just dug right into the tire, all the way around the top of it. It's kind of crazy. Definitely didn't expect that to happen when it did. It's kind of one of those ordeals that, like I said, didn't know it was going to happen until there was a big incline. As you can see, there's a nice little lip right here, all the way around. You can kind of see rubber where it chewed the tire all the way around. So I'm gonna try to get that lip as flat as possible in there and try to get it nice and flat up against this, but we'll see how that goes. I'm not sure how exactly that's gonna happen, but I'll get back with you here soon. All right, here's a little after. It's nice and rolled up, almost flat, almost completely flat up against the outer quarter. Way better than before. So I shouldn't have any more issues with this right here. Cool. Well, thank you all for watching. This was just going to be kind of a quick video. Just wanted to show you, you know, I guess what it takes to roll some fenders. Definitely Eastwood's got a good product, that's for sure, as far as being able to use it to roll fenders. And then it's just a cheap Harbor Freight heat gun. I mean, anybody can do it. You just got to be careful and be patient. If you go too fast or, you know, anything like that, then you're going to run into issues. So, whoo, I'm pooped now. But anyway, next video, I was gonna throw on the secret I have, but it's nice and rainy out today, and it's gonna rain the next couple days, even for Wednesday's upload. So for right now, I guess thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one. See ya.